I would say this morning is a lot milder because we had cloud cover really much of the overnight hours, as well as the fact that a southwest wind, especially in higher elevations in northwest Arkansas and towards the Ouachita areas, has kept things a lot milder. Along I-40, it's about seasonal, but we are still seeing some areas kind of in the low to mid 40s. So as Tiffany mentioned, a lot milder of a morning walking out the door. But it is going to be a little bit breezy at times, especially from the mid to late morning hours, since a cold front is moving through as we speak and is bringing in that northwest air. Now, it's not going to be significantly cooler during the afternoon compared to yesterday afternoon, but we are going to drop our highs a little bit just because of that northwest wind. Now, you might be thinking, okay, you said it was mild, but a cold front coming in, doesn't make sense. And that cold front, or I should say the cloud cover, as well as that wind overnight is what's keeping things mild overnight. But with the cold front moving in during the day, that's what's going to keep things at bay. Now, in terms of what we're expecting for those winds, again, they'll be out of the northwest and gusting as high as maybe 30 to 35 miles per hour, especially in northwest Arkansas, and that'll continue through much of the late morning into the early afternoon hours. During the mid-afternoon hours, could see gusts around 30 miles per hour. Then those will quickly diminish after sunset, and we'll have a very light wind through the overnight hours. That'll continue through early tomorrow morning, and then once we get into the afternoon hours tomorrow, they'll pick back up, and now they'll be out of the southwest, which will bring back some warmer air. We could see some gusts again up to 25, maybe 30 miles per hour. So we're going to continue to see pretty breezy conditions over the next few days, because we kind of have these kind of cooler air masses clashing with warmer air masses. They're kind of moving back and forth with one another. So again, those highs a little bit cooler than yesterday, but not by much. Low to mid 50s in northwest Arkansas. We'll say about 60 in the River Valley. After a little bit more of a cloudier start, we'll have more sunshine during the afternoon. For tonight, low temperatures in the low to mid 30s, partly cloudy to mostly clear skies. We'll have that light northwest wind. Then for tomorrow, those high temperatures will be about 5 to 10 degrees warmer in some spots. Highs in the low to mid 60s across the board, mostly sunny skies, and again, a little bit breezy out of the southwest. As we get into the weekend, we are going to see quite a bit of a cold plunge, but it's going to be very brief, but it is going to be cold when it does get here. And that air is originating from Siberia and is currently located over Alaska on the western half of Canada. For tomorrow morning, we're going to see that plunge into the northern United States, but it's not going to get here until Saturday night. You can see how cold this air is going to get for parts of the northern Great Plains and the upper Midwest. Yeah, it is going to be chilly there. Now, they also have snow on the ground, so that'll help as well. You can see Sunday morning, that's when we start to see things get pretty chilly around here. And those wind chills, yeah, they're not going to be fun to be outside in. So Saturday morning, you're seeing a hint of it, but most of the area will be pretty mild on Saturday. Sunday morning, different story. Wind chills as low as the upper single digits and low teens, mid-20s in the River Valley. Monday morning, mid to upper teens across much of the area. But then Tuesday, as I mentioned, we're back to seeing pretty mild conditions, or at least normal conditions. And then we're going to see highs in the 50s by the time we hit Tuesday. So it's going to be brief, but pretty chilly when it gets here. Could see a light rain chance on Saturday, but again, just rain. No ice or snow expected out of this. So it'll just be very cold when it does get here. So you can see highs drop on Sunday. Could be a little bit windy as well, but then we're quickly getting back into the mid 40s by Monday afternoon. So really this cold stretch really only lasts from Saturday night into Monday morning. Then after that, things look a little bit mild heading into the middle of next week.